Hello children, welcome to the computer class of 6th standard. Today we are going to continue with chapter number 6, Scratch Programming Introduction to Game Creation. Today in this video we will discuss the following topics from pages number 72 till 74. Here the first topic we will discuss the pen block and another topic is making a duplicate copy of sprite. Before going to start the chapter, let's discuss few key terms that we will learn from page number 72. Here you can see the first term is given, that is pen block, where this block is used to draw a trail as the sprite moves on the stage. You will notice as you will move the sprite on the stage, the shape will be drawn on the stage. Next block is their clear block, where clear block is used to remove all the marks made by pen or stamps. Or we can say that to clear the image or the shape from the stage, we will use clear block. Now open your computer book at page number 72. Here you can see the first topic is the pen block, where I have already explained the term pen block. Here you can see the blocks of pen block are of green color coded. We will use here to change the color options from 0 to 100, where 0 means the darkest shade and the 100 means the lightest shade. Now here you can see all the blocks of pen block, where first block is of clear block that I have already explained earlier. The next block is their pen down, where pen down block will draw a trail wherever it moves. The next block is their pen up. This block puts the sprite's pen up and it will not draw anything on the stage. Let's see it practically now. Click on Start button. From Start sub-menu, click on Scratch 2.0. Now here you will notice to draw the shape I will use the same sprite. To draw any shape we will use pen block. So I will click on this pen block. Now here you can see under pen block different blocks are there. I will choose to draw the line pen down block. Now one thing you need to notice, the sprite will draw the line only when it will move few steps forward or backward. So we need to take motion block here. I will take move 5 steps block. Now to see the output, I will double click on this block. Here you can see on the stage, as you are moving the sprite, the line has been drawn on the stage. Now next we are going to see the working of pen up. Again we will click on pen block. From there I will take pen up block. Now one thing you need to notice, from here I am going to remove this pen down block. Now keep your sprite on the new place. Now here you can see by double clicking on these blocks, you will notice the sprite is moving on the stage, but it will not draw any line. This is the working of pen up. It will move on the stage but will not draw anything. Now here you can see we have already a drawn line on the stage. If I will use clear block from the pen block, and when I will double click on these blocks, you will notice the line drawn on the stage will be removed. Now here you have seen the line which was drawn on the stage has been removed, means it will clear your stage. Now again look at your book at page number 73. There you will see the another blocks of pen block. Here you can see the first block is set pen color to this. This block sets the pen color to specified color. Next block is there change pen color by 10. This block changes the pen's color by specified value. As I have already told you, 0 means the darkest shades and the 100 means lightest. In the same way, whatsoever the pen color you have selected, it will change the shade of that pen according to specified value. Next block is there set pen color to 0. This block will change the pen's color to specified value. Another block is there change pen's shade by 10. This block will change the pen's shade by specified value. Another block is there set pen shade to 50. This block will set the pen shade to specified amount of value. Another is there to change the pen size. It will increase the pen's thickness according to the specified size. Another is there set pen size to this. This block will set the pen's size to specified value. Means whatsoever the value you have specified here, it will keep the pen's size of that one only. One thing you need to notice here, wherever we are using the set block, it will set the pen's color or shade according to the specified value. And wherever we are using the change pen block, it will change the shade, size or color of the pen according to the specified value. Let's see it practically. Now I'm going to make a project that is given on page number 73. Here you can see figure 6.15. By using these blocks, we can understand the topic more clearly. Now here you will see I have opened a Scratch window. First of all, I will click on Events block. To start the script, I will click on When Clicked block. Now, if we want our sprite to move, I will click on Motion block. Here I will take Move block and I will type here 100 steps. I want my sprite to move for the 100 steps. Now, you have seen on your book there is a shape of square, means on every turn it has to take a turn of 90 degree. So I will take here clockwise turn and I will change the value here 90. Now I want our sprite to draw a line, so I will click on pen block. From there, to draw a line we will use pen down block. Now next we want to change our pen's color as it moves forward. I will take the next block, that is change pen color by, in the specified value you can give any value according to your choice. Now next I want my pen to set for the fixed size, so I will take here set pen size to I want the thickness of the pen size, so I will make here size 5 so that we can see the line drawn on our stage clearly. Now next I want my sprite to move again for the 100 steps. So I will click on motion block. Here I have taken again move 100 steps. One thing you need to notice, every time the steps of moving will be same if we are drawing a square, because all sides of the square are equal and every time it will take 90-degree turn. Now again here I am going to take the turn 90 degree using motion blocks. Now here again I am going to take the value 90. Now here you will notice on your book the square shape is given, and inside the square shape there is cutting of two lines. For that I will take another move steps block, and I will give here value 200. Now again I want my sprite to move at 90 degree. So here I am going to take the turn clockwise again 90 degree. Now I want all these steps to move for 5 times so that it can draw the line quickly. So here I will click on control block. From there I will click on repeat block, and you will see in repeat block I will give the value 5. Now to see the output again we have to click on full view mode button. From there I will click on green flag button to see the output. Now here you can see the sprite has drawn a figure on your stage, and every time as it will move it will change the pen's color, and the thickness of the pen we have set as 5. Now again to come back to the normal view, click on full view mode button. Now again look at your book at page number 73. Here you will see the another project of figure 6.17. You can see a star shape has been drawn on the stage, and here is the coding of this script. But this coding is done with the glide, and we are going to make the star shape with some easy steps. Let's see the project practically. Now again you can see here I am going to make the project of star shape but with easy steps. So first of all I will click on event block. From event block I will click on when clicked block. Now I will take pen down from pen block. So here you can see I have taken pen down block. Now I will take another block, that is change pen color by 10. Change pen color by 10 block. Now I will set the pen size by 5. Now here you can see I have changed the pen size to 5. Now this will be the fixed size of the pen. Now next we want to move our sprite, so I will click on motion block and I will take move block. Now there I am going to write the steps 200. Now to draw the star shape we have to take the clockwise turn 144 degree. Now here I am going to take 144 degree, and I want to draw the shape at repeated motion, so I will click on control block, and here I am going to take repeat block, and as we know the star has 5 sides, so I will repeat this sprite for 5 times. Now again to see the output, click on full view mode button and click on this green flag button. Now here you can see we have drawn the star shape on our stage. Now again click on full view mode button to come back to the normal view.
Till now we have learnt the following key terms from page number 72. We have learnt pen block and clear block. Now revise all the terms and do practice of the same project.